You're sharing a sick house in the Palm in Dubai? Yeah, I am. So we have a house on the Palm. I'm not there now. I'm in Miami. I'm doing a bit of traveling. Like I'm in Miami now. In 3 days' time, I'm going to the UK to grab a watch and see my family. And then I'm going to Germany for Oktoberfest with my friends, because why the fuck not? Then I'm going to Croatia for an Etsy Kings event. Bunch of guys flying out to that. It's going to be super fucking fun. Probably then back to Dubai after that. But yeah, I have a house on the Palm in Dubai, Palm Jumeirah, you know, the fucking palm tree thing in the sand. Super cool. Honestly, amazing place. It's an amazing place. Like, it's amazing, but obviously you pay a lot more for what, like being on the Palm kind of thing. Because you have a private beach and a pool and shit like that. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.